Hello, folks. Welcome to Riverside Chats with Jake Runny, owner of the Run to Your Phrase YouTube channel. That was my theme music. Kind of a broke YouTube person. That's okay. I'm just sitting out in nature today, you guys. Nature. Experiencing, yeah. See, that's why I call it Riverside Chats, that river. There's a shitty factory by it, though, too. But, you know, it's great sitting out in the woods. Why don't we do this more often? Just hang out here. And everyone's all like, Netflix and chill, bro, Netflix and chill. Like, how about a nature walk and then you suck my cock? Just kidding. Just kidding, that was a joke. Sorta, kinda. Listen to the birds singing. You guys hear that? It's fucking wonderful. Chirp, 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 chirp. Just kidding, birds. They sing a little better than that. They sing a little better than that, you know. And hopefully they don't get offended. They're like, hey, I'm a bird who identifies as a man, but I also want to get a surgery. It's like, come on, birds. I came to the woods to get away from PC culture, god damn it. Yeah. Well, gonna have to stop and think for a little while about my next YouTube video out here in the woods. Just gonna enjoy it for a little while, though. All by myself. Yeah. Peace out, YouTube world.